I'll keep it for you. It is now with pleasure that I call upon Dr. Azra Raza to deliver the convocation address. Congratulations.
Good afternoon, graduates. I'm supposed to give you advice. Here is mine. Never marry someone you can live with. Only marry someone you can't live without. Fall utterly and irreversibly in love, the kind of love that shatters your peace and rearranges your molecules. My first love was platonic, not a person, but a question. As a teenager, I read about the immortal cancer cell, a cell born inside of us that never dies. Even more mysterious, cancer cells can defy fundamental rules. They can migrate. Pancreatic cells show up in bones. Ovarian cells invade the brain. How could one cell gain both immortality and mobility in one full swoop? I was hooked. Had I been educated in the West, I'd have pursued a PhD. But in Pakistan, medicine was my only entry point, and that's where I met my second love. The day I saw my first cancer patient. The sheer horror of it changed everything. I didn't just want to study cancer, I wanted to ease suffering. And that's what brought me to America. A woman, a Muslim, an immigrant, and one utterly bent on curing cancer. And this is where I met my third love, Harvey. But then cancer entered my own home, bringing my three loves into tragic collision when our daughter was only 4 years old. I became my husband's oncologist and lost him. We are all tested, but not when we expect, and never in the way we